Early on the shoot.
Early on the shoot, man.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you said it, but I wanted to go through, but I really went through.
Yeah,
Because I had so much driving to do.
Yes.
I had so much driving to do that the shooting now was secondary.
Yes.
That's why. Yeah.
That's why it says, okay. First pass is done, and what a ride! I'll tell you frankly, this was the pass, the run that I had to drive to do the most driving ever in all quarter mile and half mile events. It was just crazy. The power was great. The track is very tricky. So I was moving like 2 feet to the left, 2 feet to the right, just trying to keep the car straight. I was extremely late on the chute because I was concentrating to keep the car straight. I actually went through the finish line without pulling my chute. And then I said, holy shit, I got an issue. So got on the brakes, pulled my chute, and the rear end went probably about 4 feet to the side, went back straight. And guess what? Here we are. It took me every single inches of the track in order to basically brake. I was like on the brakes with the chutes, like and give it 180, was able to turn the car around and was able to brake. So you know what? It was, this is better than the friggin' coffee, I'll tell you that. It friggin' wakes up your senses major. It was fun. We're actually, we did 3:52. That placed us in first place, and it's officially the track record over here. So my goal was to do 360 today. So we're gonna increase the boost just a little and go at it again. And one thing is for sure is that I'll pull the chute at the right time this time. Chop chop. See you next time. So you will spin a bit. Okay. Also, if you're gonna go, you will spin. So it's like up to 800 horsepower, I guess, around there. And in Montreal, I totally forgot. I thought it was a four-wheel drive. So pulling out on Beale Street and hammer. Woo! Okay. Yeah, that was the first one I did.
see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try to speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save on. Take to the top on the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. Where the booyah is a flex.
Oh, isn't that the same as the other one?
Yeah.
Didn't he do 354.66? What's his previous run?
About that.
It's like that.
Yep.
Like by a tenth of a, like a hundredth of a second. Okay, thank you.
Holy shit, but with this track, there's nothing to do because I'm spinning in first, second, and third. So even if I put more boost at the end, you see, we had like 6 pounds more boost in the top gears. And I only did 2 clicks more. So I mean, I was just spinning at the beginning.
You're still doing it 7:69:45. Well, why did it not? Spinning first and second.
That's pretty crazy. It's almost my personal best on a track like that. Like 7 but still.
Yeah. Not now. Not now.
The sound when it goes, huh? It's unique, no? Le son quand ça passe? Oh, c'est rien comme ça.
All right, what just happened? Tell me about it.
What just happened? Hold on a second. I'm good. Yeah. The second pass, we actually went a bit more aggressive on the boost in the later gears, but the track is just too slippery. I spun first, second, and third. I had a better drive. Still moving left and right, but it was more stable. Got on the chute almost perfect, but the track is just too dirty. Too dirty. There's not enough stopping room. So you know what? I think we're done for the day. 3:54, which is the track record, my personal record. And you know what? Like they say, don't push your luck. I mean, that's it. That's all for today. We had lots of fun. Lots of people came out to see us, encourage us. Lots of family members. It's a beautiful day. Nescafe. Chop chop. Until next time.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.